Welcome to Beautyistic. Imagine having flawless curls with minimal effort every time you style your hair. Today, we're diving into the Elle Auto Spin Curling Iron, an innovative tool designed to take the guesswork out of curling your hair. Let's break it down and see if this curling iron really lives up to its claims. The Elle Auto Spin Curling Iron is all about convenience and effortless styling. With its auto spin technology, the barrel rotates automatically, wrapping your hair around it to create tangle-free curls without any manual twisting. Whether you're after tight ringlets or loose waves, this curling iron promises to deliver those professional-looking curls at home with ease. One of the standout features is the customizable curl settings. You can choose from multiple heat and timer settings, which makes it ideal for different hair types and curl preferences. Want tight curls? Opt for a shorter timer and higher heat. Going for relaxed waves? A longer timer with a lower heat setting will give you that beachy look. In terms of real-world use, I found this curling iron to be incredibly user-friendly. The heat-up time is impressively fast, so you're not left waiting around for your styling tool to reach the right temperature. I tested it on my hair during both the morning rush and evening routines, and it delivered consistent results every time. The Tangle-Free design is truly a game changer, especially for those with longer or thicker hair. I didn't have to deal with the frustration of tangled strands, which I know is a common issue with traditional curling irons. When it comes to the overall ease of use, the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver. I was able to curl sections of my hair quickly without feeling any strain on my wrist or fingers. Plus, the lightweight design makes it portable, so it's great for travel or quick styling on the go. Let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the auto spin technology delivers smooth, consistent curls with minimal effort. The customizable heat and timer settings give you control over your style, while the tangle-free barrel means you can style without worrying about knots. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, and it heats up in a flash. But on the flip side, the rotating barrel takes a bit of getting used to. If you're new to auto curling tools, it might feel a little strange at first. Also, while the heat settings are adjustable, the highest temperature may not be hot enough for those with very thick or coarse hair. In terms of value for money, this curling iron strikes a good balance. It's priced competitively for an auto curling iron, and considering the time saved and the professional quality curls, it's a solid investment. The fast heat-up time, ease of use, and versatility make it worth the price tag. If you're someone who prefers manual curling irons, or if you have super thick hair, there are alternatives out there that might suit your needs better. However, for those who want a fuss-free way to achieve beautiful curls, this is a great option. The Elle Auto Spin Curling Iron is especially good for anyone who's short on time but still wants to look polished. When it comes to build quality, the curling iron feels sturdy and well-constructed. The materials are high quality, and I didn't notice any signs of wear or damage after consistent use. The rotating barrel functions as advertised, and the overall design seems built to last. As for customer support, I haven't personally interacted with the brand's support team, but Elle has a good reputation for customer service. If you run into any issues, they're known for being responsive and helpful. So, what's the verdict? The Elle Auto Spin Curling Iron is a convenient, time-saving tool that delivers beautiful, tangle-free curls with minimal effort. It's especially great for those who want a quick styling solution without sacrificing quality. However, if you have very thick or coarse hair, you might want to consider other options that offer higher heat settings. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.